V-Tuf have asked me to review two of their pressure washers. The first one I'm going to look at is the V-Tuf V1 pressure washer. Maximum pressure 105 bar and working pressure of 70 bar. This video is just going to be unboxing and assembly, and if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. I'll just let you have a quick look at the box. Remember to pause the video if you want to see any more detail. So the first thing in the box is a foam cannon, the trigger gun, that's obviously an attachment, I'll demonstrate that a little bit later on. The 5-meter hose, high visibility, the lance extension with nozzles, the pressure washer with a 5-meter cable, another fitting, the turbo nozzle, the water hose attachment, and a set of instructions. Well, that's everything that's in the box. Assembly is pretty simple. This is for cable storage, and that just literally slots on to the lug here on this side of the pressure washer. On the left hand side as you're looking at it. This is for storing the gun and the lance extension, and that just literally slots on this side and clicks in place like so. So the cable then can hang on here. The gun slots in there, the lance just slots in from the side there. Now if I zoom in there, you will see that that's marked as the inlet. So remove this cap, which isn't actually screwed on, so you can pull it off. I thought it'd be screwed on, but it's not. This brass hose connection screws into there. There is a filter inside and also a rubber washer so that it seals. That just screws onto there. It is a little bit fiddly to get it started, but once you've got it started it's fine. So that's it started now. So screw that down and it'll get progressively tighter. Once you think it's tight, just tighten it a bit more. And that should give you a watertight seal for your water hose. On the opposite side you'll see another connection which is labelled outlet, and that is for the high pressure hose. The high pressure hose just screws into there. So if you look at the hose, you can see that there is an O-ring there, and then the connection is fairly wide until it reaches this lip. It's got to be pushed into there until the lip touches this screwed outlet and then screwed in with this. So that just screws on there. Make sure it's snugged up like so, and the hose can be connected in either direction, it makes no difference. But that's the hose connected. So when you've got the hose connected to the machine, I'll connect the trigger gun to the hose, and that's exactly the same process as connecting the hose to the machine. You just push that in until it won't go in anymore. Don't forget there's an O-ring on there that seals it, and then screw in this here to hold it in place. So that is the gun connected. The lance extension just screws in to the end of the gun. There is an O-ring on the gun that seals it. Just make sure that you squeeze that nice and tight when you've screwed it in there. And then to actually fit one of the nozzles, you pull down on the end here, look. That just pulls down, selects a nozzle that you want, and these are actually, this is rubber, so these actually fit in there with a friction fit, but it's very solid. They're definitely not going to fall out. So just pull the one that you want out, push it in, and let that go. See how it slides up to the top there? Hopefully you can see that, and then it's ready to go. Obviously I've not connected the water, but that's just simple. So if you want to fit the turbo nozzle, that's exactly the same. Pull down, slide in the nozzle and let it clip back up again. So that's simple really. One more thing I want to point out is on the back of the instructions, make sure you don't lose these, because this is a pin for cleaning out the nozzles if you have any blockages or anything, so remember that. So hopefully I've covered everything that you wanted me to cover in this video. Assembly is very simple, there's nothing much to it at all. So the next video I'm going to make will be the review. I hope you found this useful. Thank you very much for watching, and please take care out there. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.